morning, students, or my future students. Um, by the way, you can call me Teacher She. So today, um, let me tackle about my educational background. Um, I graduated at Trinidad Municipal College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. Since my educational background doesn't fit in teaching because it is more on business ad, more on office ad, or office stuff like that. But I will do my best to encourage students, and then also I will do my best that I could share my knowledge when I was studying, especially those students who have this um let me say hardly to understand. They are dealing with struggles in studying. So your teacher She is willing to teach you, to guide you, and to accompany you in every steps that you take in studying in schooling. So see you in the future, and God bless, and thank you for watching. Thank you.